Today I'm showcasing the top 3 free file recovery tools that can help revive your deleted files from the digital graveyard. Make sure to grab the download links in the description below. You'll want these tools ready before disaster strikes. Here's something most people don't know. When you delete a file, it doesn't actually disappear immediately. Your computer marks that space as available for new data. Think of it like removing a books listing from a library catalog while the book stays on the shelf. These recovery tools act like detective librarians, hunting down those unlisted files before they get overwritten by new data. Let's start with Recuva, my go-to recommendation for beginners. Created by the makers of CCleaner, Recuva is completely free and incredibly user-friendly. The setup wizard walks you through everything step by step. You can recover photos, documents, videos, music, pretty much any file type. What I love most is the deep scan feature that digs deeper than the quick scan. The interface shows recovery chances with a traffic light system. Green means excellent recovery odds, yellow means possible, and red means the file is heavily damaged but still worth trying. Next up is EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. This one's a powerhouse. The free version lets you recover up to 2 GB of data, which covers most emergencies. What sets EaseUS apart is its preview feature. You can actually see your files before recovering them, which saves tons of time. It also handles complex scenarios, such as recovering from formatted drives, crashed systems, and even corrupted partitions. The interface is super polished and supports over 1,000 file types. Plus, it works on both Windows and Mac, making it perfect for mixed device households. Our third contender is Stellar Data Recovery, and this one's got some serious tricks up its sleeve. The free version gives you 1 GB of recovery, but here's what makes it special. It can create disk images for severely damaged drives, meaning you can work on a copy while preserving the original. Stellar excels at photo and video recovery with specialized algorithms for media files. It also has a unique resume recovery feature. If your scan gets interrupted, you can pick up right where you left off instead of starting over. Perfect for those massive hard drive recoveries that take hours. So how do they stack up? For speed, Recuva takes the crown with its lightning-fast quick scans. EaseUS offers the best balance of features and a consistently high recovery success rate. I've had consistently good results across different file types. Stellar might be slower, but it's incredibly thorough and rarely gives up on damaged files. In terms of user experience, Recuva is the simplest for beginners. EaseUS feels most professional, and Stellar offers the most advanced options for tech-savvy users. Here's my recommendation. Choose Recuva if you're new to file recovery and want a straightforward solution that works without complications. Go with EaseUS if you need reliable recovery for important business files and want professional-grade features. Pick Stellar if you're dealing with severely damaged drives, corrupted media files, or need advanced recovery options. Honestly though, I keep all 3 installed. They each have moments where they shine brightest. Quick pro tips before we wrap up. Stop using the affected drive immediately. Every new file written reduces your chances of recovery. Always recover files to a different drive than where they were lost. Run the recovery scan as soon as possible. Time is your enemy here. And remember, these tools work best on traditional hard drives. SSD recovery is trickier due to how solid-state drives manage data. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Grab all 3 tools using the download links in the description below. They're completely free and could save you a lot of heartbreak later. If this video helped you understand file recovery better, please like it and subscribe for more tech rescue tutorials. Your future self will thank you for being prepared. Now that you know how to rescue deleted files, let's make sure you never need to. Click the video on your screen to learn foolproof strategies for protecting your files from accidental deletion. Prevention is always better than recovery. See you in the next one.